Lion and the Mouse. One day, a little mouse was skipping along next to a stream in a jungle. A big lion was sleeping nearby. The lion reached out and grabbed the mouse. "Please don't eat me," said the mouse. The mouse was too small to make a good meal, so the lion let him go. Later, the mouse heard a great roar. The lion was strangled or caught in some ropes. "Please help me," said the lion. The little mouse said, You set me free, so I will help you." The little mouse jumped on top of the lion. He chewed the ropes. The lion flung the ropes to the ground. Then he hugged the mouse with his big paws. Then on the two friends lived peacefully in the jungle. I'll be back. I'll show you the pictures.
Miss you, Miss Preheim.